What's up, YouTube? This is video 2 of Tinder on the flip phone. The Alcatel Cayos 4 here. Sitting here by this river. We got a little bird here fishing, you know. So I'm just gonna show y'all what Tinder on a flip phone is like here in sunny Montreal. Spring is in the air, y'all. Anyway, so let's see what we got here. So, gonna go up to our internet browser like last time I was showing you. Search history, today, tinder.com. Okay, here we go, YouTube. Just waiting here. Sunny day by the river. Water gently lapping. Sometimes to refresh the screen, you just kind of keep the cursor moving. Well, there goes that bird, y'all. If you like this video, just click that like button there. You know, birds come, birds go. We'll see you in next installment. Bye.